About 1 in 5 adults in the U.S. will experience some form of a mental disorder in a given year. That statistic is according to the National Alliance on Mental Illness. And now there's a new face in town to help those in need in the Freeborn County area. KIMT News 3's Annalise Johnson is here to tell us more about mental health services in Albert Lea. Annalise?
Katie, while some Mayo Clinic Health System services are transitioning from the Albert Lea campus to the Austin campus, mental health care is here to stay in Albert Lea. Adult, pediatric, and adolescent psychology and psychiatry are available at the hospital, and there's even a new doctor in the psychology department with ties to the Freeborn County area. Dr. Nathaniel Lombardi, a clinical and licensed psychologist, is in his first week at Mayo Clinic Health System in Albert Lea. He's joining his parents, Dr. Beverly and Joseph Lombardi, to work under the same roof at his hometown hospital.
It's been delightful. Everybody has been incredibly supportive, friendly. Everybody is very excited about not just the fact that there's another Lombardi here.
It's not every day that parents and their child all end up as doctors at the same hospital. And it's not something the Lombardis ever expected.
It just happened, the stars aligned beautifully, and it just so happened that a position opened up in the home where I have roots, and it's an incredible community, it's an incredible organization.
When I heard it was going to happen, that was awesome. Couldn't get a smile off my face for about a week.
Dr. Beverly Lombardi, who works in internal medicine, and Dr. Joseph Lombardi, who works in obstetrics and gynecology, have practiced in Albert Lea for 28 years. And now, working with their son is a pleasant new experience.
Oh, I'm planning to just make a lot of referrals to him. Well, I've got a lot of patients in crisis, so I can use the help.
And because millions of Americans are affected by mental health each year, according to the National Alliance on Mental Health, Dr. Nathaniel Lombardi is in an important line of work.
I was always interested in psychology and the area of mental health. And I have a very, very big fondness for just relating and connecting with people, and I think that's what sort of springboarded it.
So if you're at the hospital in Albert Lea looking for Dr. Lombardi, it might be a good idea to specify which one. And more exciting news for mental health care in Albert Lea: inpatient psychiatric care is transitioning from Albert Lea to Austin this coming fall.
All right, thank you very much, Annalise. And Mayo Clinic Health System is also planning a public open house for their inpatient psychiatric care center in the coming months.